Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, talking about how to delete suggested stories on Snapchat. So the first thing you have to do is log into your Snapchat account. The next thing is to swipe right of your Snapchat in order to get suggested stories. So on the suggested stories, you just have to click on the particular story you want to remove. Click steadily on it so that it will bring out this new face for you. Click on hide story suggestion. Automatically the story is going to be hidden on your Snapchat or deleted on your Snapchat. So guys, that is it on how to delete suggested stories on your Snapchat. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.